Hello, everybody. Hopefully, this is reaching you wherever you may be. So I'm just gonna wait a few seconds, let things get going here. My name is Marley, and I'm going to be leading a really brief beginner-friendly guided meditation this morning, all about the nature within, or the body of nature. So thank you for joining me. Before we get started, I do just want to express some gratitude to Ryan Wellborn, the person that created this website and has really put his heart and soul into it. I think now more than ever, we need some connection in our lives. So I really appreciate that, and all the other people that are volunteering their time and their talents to share with others. If you're interested in leading a meditation, a yoga class, whatever it may be, please visit wewillgetthroughthis.org and you can sign up there. All right, so we are going to get started with our meditation. We're going to do, just as an overview, a quick awareness of our surroundings, followed by a body scan into our actual meditation. So go ahead and find a comfortable resting spot, whether that be sitting or laying down, whatever you feel best with. And we're going to take a moment once you get settled just to become aware of where you are. So whether that be inside or outside on this beautiful day, just look around, take in your surroundings. Start to focus a little bit more on your breath. Notice your body temperature, the temperature around you. If there's any background noise, let it in. Don't try and push it away. We're going to move into a brief body scan from here. So we'll be moving from toes to the head, going through each part of the body. With this activity, just notice what's happening for you. If you notice tension or tightness, don't necessarily try and change that right now. We're going to start with the toes. So whether they are pointing up in the sky if you're laying down or grounded on the floor, just go ahead and wiggle your toes. Feel each one individually. And then part of the collective as well. Notice your heels and the arch of your foot. Focus on your ankles. Maybe give them a quick rotation if you feel called to do so. From there, we're going to work our way through our legs, our calves, our shins. Just breathing in to that awareness of your body. Your knees, your thighs, your legs as a whole that do so much for you every day. Into your hips, your pelvis. Noticing your breath within your stomach, working further up towards your rib cage. Your back and your shoulders, your neck, your jaw, your face, and the top of your head. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath. Inhale and hold, and exhale. If you're not already, I'll invite you to close your eyes at this point. You're going to take 2 deep breaths in and out, in and out. With this next in-breath, we're going to go inside our bodies. So imagine traveling in through your mouth and going down to the center of your body, whether you choose that to be your heart or your gut, wherever you land. We're going to travel with our breath right now. Here we're going to look around and determine what our inner landscape is. This could be any place, could be indoor or outdoor. Just take a moment and notice where you are. Is it a place that's familiar to you? Or is it a place that's new? What are you seeing? You might be in a desert or a rainforest, a city, or your bedroom. What is your inner landscape right now? What are you hearing in this landscape? Are there other people, or are you alone? Maybe there are animals near you or that you can hear. Are you near water? Is it moving and making noise? What is the weather like around you? What does your landscape smell like? Is it fresh from rain? Or perhaps your sense of smell is gathering a lot of different smells because of the wind moving past your face. Is there a taste associated with your landscape? Are you eating anything while you're in your landscape? What are you feeling? You're feeling the heat of the sun, or perhaps a little drizzle on your skin. Are there shadows that are giving you goosebumps? Or are you tucked under covers inside? Look around your landscape. What are you feeling drawn to explore? Where do you want to go in this landscape? Or do you want to go? Do you want to stay still? Whatever you decide, take a moment here and explore, whether that be moving further into your landscape or exploring the stillness you can hold while there. Are you in the same place or a new spot now? Wherever you are, take a moment, ask yourself, what is my connection here? Once more, ask yourself, what is my connection here to this landscape? Lastly, ask yourself, Is this a place I want to come back to? If it is, take a moment, ground yourself in your landscape. If it's not, prepare to rid yourself of this landscape. Take a nice deep breath in. And with your exhale, you're going to exit your body and come back to where you are currently. Take a moment to notice your surroundings. Does your location look different in any way from how it looked a few minutes ago? Are you glad to be back? Glad to be done? Or hoping to return to your inner landscape as quickly as possible? Take 2 closing, nice deep breaths. Thank you all for participating in this short guided meditation. I'm very open to feedback if you have any thoughts you'd like to share. If you are interested in leading your own meditation, yoga class, art lesson, cooking tutorial, whatever it may be, again, please visit wewillgetthroughthis.org. You can find more information there. Thank you again to Ryan. And all of you, I hope you have a beautiful day.